Alright folks, I'm sure digital marketing might scare some of you. And so I want to make this super simple to understand. I want you to think about your digital presence as real estate. We're all used to like that bakery shop on the corner, right? Well, let's think about that bakery store, right? Maybe it's on the corner of Flamingo on some sort of street road, right? They've got a physical location. They have a sign. Maybe they have billboards. Maybe they have different types of advertisements spread throughout the city, right? That's the physical real estate of your business. Now, I want you to think about that model, and we're going to translate that over to the digital world. And instead of a physical store, you have a website. Instead of a billboard, you have a Facebook ad. Instead of a flyer at your community center, you have a YouTube video. I want you to think about your digital real estate as the composition of your entire presence online. That's going to be your website, your email list, your social media channels, so that could be Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and so on. Now, a lot of businesses do this. I see businesses do this all the time where they go in, they build a website, and then they sign up for 12 different social media accounts. None of them have a status updated for like the last year. None of them have a following. All of them are kind of just dead weight. And then, that business owner's like, well, social media doesn't really work for my business. Well, here's what I want you to do. We've already figured out who our target customer is. I want you to think about the social media channels your target customer is using. And I want you to bring it down to 3 major channels. Okay? And we're going to focus on only those channels. So, right off the bat, we can say you should have a website. You should have a sales funnel. And you should absolutely have an email list. And you should be communicating via your email list. Now, outside of that core infrastructure, outside of that storefront and mailing list of your business, what are you going to invest in terms of your marketing channels, right? I hope you're not doing billboards, so let's think about social channels. Some very common examples are going to be Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Now that doesn't mean you should go ahead and create all of them. If you're a B2B business, if you're a business whose customers are on LinkedIn, then you should use LinkedIn. If you're a business that's promoting makeup or clothes or fashion and you're targeting a younger demographic, then you should leverage Instagram. And in most cases, your business should absolutely be using Facebook. If you're a new business, I want you to think about what those channels are and write them down. If you're a current business, what are the current channels you're using? If that list goes beyond 3 long, I need you to start cutting some of those off. And I need you to think about the amount of time and money you're investing in your current channels. Look, get started with the one good channel that works for your business, right? So if that's going to be Facebook, I want you to succeed using Facebook. And once you've succeeded using Facebook, you can start thinking about how you can start using other channels and growing into other channels. All right, folks? You can answer the questions right below, and I'll see you in our next section as we dive into content.